Hi, I'm Brandy, this is Hound Dog Hollow, and today I'm going to be doing a deck review of the Tarot Mucha. I'm probably not saying that right, I'm really sorry. Very cool. This is a really beautiful deck. Lo Scarabeo. And it's got like a little cap, which I don't like because it flies off all the damn time. So there's that. It's got a really pretty little book. It's actually not as much information as you would think because it's in a whole bunch of languages. So there's usually like a little bit of information. So at the end of the 19th century, after bloody revolutionary movements had set fire to half the world, a period of relative calm fell over Europe. The collective imagination was captured by the idea that the worst was over and that the new century now at the door would be an era of peace and prosperity. Advances in science and technology were visible everywhere. Electric light, automobiles, flying machines, cinema, vaccines for dire ailments. Even the most skeptical were moved to amazement and wonder. So, I'm pretty sure... Okay, Alphonse Mucha. So, all of this is based on this man's art. So, here is the... like an extra card. Is there another extra card? Yeah, there's another extra card. 2 extra cards. And then the rest are part of the deck. They're absolutely beautiful. They are not diverse. So... But, I mean, when it's based on somebody's art that's already kind of like existed, I get that, but they are absolutely beautiful. It's not my favorite magician, by the way, this one. It's not my favorite magician, not my favorite representation. I love this representation of the High Priestess. Empress. Emperor. Just gonna show the cards. I love the Hermit, Wheel of Fortune, Judgment, yeah, Justice, Hangman, obviously Death, Temperance. The Devil's really interesting here. The Tower, the Star. The Moon. They're so beautiful. These cards are really, really beautiful. Judgment. The World. Of course, we have Cups. And to me, they look like more beautiful versions of like Rider-Waite. Or what's traditional. So very, very pretty. It's not quite like, for whatever reason, maybe it's the softer lines. I just feel like Art Nouveau is not my favorite kind of art, period. But this artist is just really beautiful, captivating images. That I really love. Just beautiful. Interesting. Just like I love the color schemes. The colors are very pleasing to me. Like the palette. The lines, the shape. Very appealing to me. Definitely a beautiful deck that I can meditate on. for sure. Very lovely. Very, very lovely. Beautiful, beautiful deck. I love this deck. I definitely going to use it for a lot of meditative purposes. Because I like to look at it and think about the meaning. So that's going to be really, really cool. A lot of journaling will happen with this deck as soon as I get the time. Anyways, please like, comment, and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching.